and welcome back to this, our 100th episode. Yay!
100, okay.
I know, 100.
That is key.
Yay. So, welcome back to winemastery.co.uk. My name's John Lightfoot, this is
John Murphy.
And we're here in our 100 episodes to try and help you find the wine that you will absolutely love. And hopefully maybe even the wines you will absolutely love. So, to mark this auspicious occasion, the only wine I began the journey with, John, the only particular wine that I liked and knew I could order and enjoy every time was Beaujolais.
Yes.
Yes?
Yep.
And so we thought, well, we've done that. That's where I started. Let's go back to it and let's taste it again and see where I'm at with that. And you'll see in part 1, part 2, part 3.
Yeah.
Just how we cope with that. We've chosen normal Beaujolais. There are 3 types of Beaujolais. There is Beaujolais Nouveau, which is sort of class, the sort of the least expensive. Then you go up to Beaujolais Village and then Beaujolais Cru. So we've just got the bottom level, which is good, honest, everyday wine.
Yeah.
And we're trying those first.
Yep. It's going to be a real eye opener. I'm especially going to enjoy seeing what you're going to make of these. 100 episodes down, or it's been 2 years down the line of drinking and trying lots of different bits and pieces. So it'd be very, I'm interested to see what you're going to think of them now. See where your taste buds are at, and I won't say how far you've come, but to see what you think of it. The wine that you used to get here all the time, because that is almost what we've been doing the videos for. We talk about people who they won't move away because it is a minefield. You don't know what you're looking for, and why would you pay £15 for one bottle? When you're happy paying £10 for that one, is it worth it? And people do get kind of stuck in the rut with the routine. They like a Cabernet Sauvignon, we'll stick with the Cabernet Sauvignon. So for you, just saying that you liked Beaujolais, you know you were safe with the Beaujolais. Now you've tried many wines, so seeing what your opinion of the Beaujolais, how that lies now, will be interesting.
Very interesting. I'm looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to it. So we'll see you there. Part 1, part 2, part 3 as well. See you there.
See you there. Bye now.
Bye.